Is that when you are talking about a substantive procedure, the first thing, what you will do, you will obtain the bank reconciliation from the client. Okay, you will obtain the bank reconciliation from the client. Okay, is it right? And listen carefully, and cost 1 minute and cost. You will do as you are doing. Okay, you will total it. Okay, first you will see the totals. Okay, if you are doing by system also, you will make sure that totals are same. Okay, and cost to ensure, arithmetical accuracy. Okay, first which assertion we are doing? We are doing the assertion with respect to what? Accuracy. We are doing the assertion with respect to what? Accuracy. Now what we will do the second one? What you will do the second one? We have done bank reconciliation. Okay, we have done right. Next, what you will do? Little bit tough. Okay, once you have done, you will obtain. Okay, you will obtain the bank confirmation letter. Is it bank confirmation letter from whom? From the bankers. From which bankers? From Murray's bankers. Is that from Murray bankers? Why we are getting from the Murray's banker? We want to confirm. What we want to confirm? We have to confirm the existence. Okay, we have to consider existence and rights and obligations. If anything is there, okay, always write obligations. Sometimes you have overdrawn the funds. Is that sometimes you have the overdraft? Okay, sometimes you have the loans. Is that sometimes you have the loans? Sometimes you have the overdraft. Is that sometimes anything is there? You are getting the bank confirmation letter from Murray's banker to confirm the existence, and rights and obligations. Now, what you will do the next one? Once you have get the bank reconciliation, once you have get the confirmation letter, okay, fine. Now what you will do? You will use internal resources. Okay, you will use internal resources. What are the internal resources? You will agree. Okay, you agree the balances. Okay, you agree the balances as per the bank ledger account. Okay, as per the bank ledger account. Okay, ledger account. Okay, little bit focus. Okay, don't get panic. Little bit tough. I'm not saying that much easy. Okay, sequence is very important. Is it? And agree the balance as per bank's ledger account. Where you are agreeing, we are seeing this. What we are doing as per the bank statement. As per the here have mentioned very clearly. Here we have mentioned very clearly bank balance as per bank ledger account. Is the first thing is what is there? There is a bank balance as per the bank's ledger account. We will do that. Agree the balance as per bank's ledger account. Okay, on the reconciliation. From where you are doing? On the reconciliation. On the reconciliation statement. Okay, in the reconciliation. Is it now? This bank balance and financial statement balance should be same. Okay, you have to same. Agree the bank balance as per the bank's ledger account on the reconciliation. What we are doing to the year end. Is that to the year end? Which one we are very? Bank ledger account, bank ledger account, and the same amount has to be there, and the financial statements, in the financial statement. Why we are doing this? Why we are to confirm? Okay, to confirm. One second, to confirm. To confirm. What we are confirming? To confirm the accuracy and valuation. Okay, to confirm the accuracy. What are the assertions we are doing? We are doing the assertions of accuracy and valuation. We are writing so many things. Okay, we are writing so many things. Okay, in the examination, if there is 8 marks, write 8 procedures. If there are 6 marks, write 6 procedures. That's all. Okay, you should not write as many as possible. No, write specific procedures. How many marks has been allocated? But each procedure should have action, should have source, should have evidence, objective. Understand my point? That is very, very important. Each procedure should have source, should have action, and should have objective.
Doctor, I have a question.
Tell me.
So do we have to write them like in sequence as you are writing?
We can write in sequence or whatever it may be, but there should see. Now you have to follow these rules. What is the source? Okay, what is the source? What is the action and what is the object? But technically, see, now I will ask you. You are going to it. That is the reason why it is difficult. This is the only reason this is difficult. This is the only reason this is difficult. Where the students will feel very challenging. First, when you are going to the auditor. What you will do? You will get the bank reconciliation. You will do the casting. You will do. Then you will ask for the confirmation. Is it? You ask the confirmation. Then you will see, without confirmation you cannot cross check. Okay, what will do? Whatever the bank ledger account is there, that same amount should be in the financial statements. Is it? That is the reason. Little bit. If you ask me, I want to make it very clear. It is very difficult for us to write in sequence, but you can write. When you are writing it, if even you are not writing in sequence, you have to follow these 3 rules. Are you clear about this? Is it? You have to follow 3. Little bit difficult, I am telling you this. Okay, little bit. But once we practice, we'll practice more on this. We'll practice more on this. I will not rush. Okay, it will take little bit more time for me. Okay. Now what we have done, when you are talking about the agree the bank ledger on the reconciliation, what we will do after that? What you will do? See the things. Okay. Now I will tell you the things. Okay. First you will start. Okay. First you will start. What they say. First you will start from here to here. They will go like this. Okay. First we will start from here to here. Now next what you will do? You will start from here. Then you will go for the beginning. Understand? First you are starting from the beginning till the end. Then you will go from the end to the beginning. Okay. Then you will go for the end to the beginning. Now what they say, we have said agree the bank ledger account. We are agreeing the bank ledger account with the financial statements. Now anything else we can add? Anything, you tell me, what are the things you can add? Okay, forget about the sequence. I'm not talking about the sequence. We'll come to the sequence at a later stage. What other things you will undertake with respect to the reconciliation? What you will do about reconciliation? Any substantive procedure. Tell me, one tell me.
I can see in the, what do you call it, reconciliation statement, there is an unpresented check.
Okay.
So I think we have to trace the unpresented check to see if they are fit to be, what do you call it, presented or not.
Okay.
I'm just thinking out loud here. I don't know.
Yeah, I will write the same thing. That's what I want. That's what I want. Trace out. Okay, trace all unpresented checks. Okay, trace all unpresented. See, now you are doing the bank reconciliation. Okay, very tough. Bank reconciliation is very tough. But when you are doing bank reconciliation, you will have checks presented but not cash, check received but not deposited. Is that there are so many, say, these are the only things will be there. Is it checks presented, not deposited, checks issued but not encashed, all the things will be there. Trace all unpresented checks. Is that trace through the, how we have to do? We have to trace it out. Is that through the pre-year end and post-year end statements? Is that through pre-year end bank statement, okay, pre-year end bank statement and post-year end bank statement. Okay, and post-year end bank statement. Okay, when doing this, what will happen? Is that now, wherever there is when you have unpresented checks, you will write in the book. Is that? It is not like that just you have the checks. When you are giving the checks to the person who is going to deposit in the bank, you will document that. You will write down the thing that these checks has been given, this amount has been given, this on this date. You will everything. It should not be misplaced. Okay, the moment you will say that yes, these checks are there, it will be properly handed. Is that checks are deposited? Checks will not be given to the person like anything else. Okay, they say trace all unpresented checks through pre-year end bank statement, post-year end bank statements, and post-year end bank statement. Is that and post-year end bank statement? What is the and from where we are going to say and thus you will record it. You will record the check, numbers, name, everything. Even computer recording, that's fine. There's not that. You will have an Excel sheet. Something will be there. Database will be there. Okay? Database will be there. Is that what will say you have and the paying in book. Is that register? As simple as that. It is the check register. Okay? Check register. Why we are saying that? Why we are going to make sure that yes, we have a record of all these things. We have a record of all the things. What will say to confirm? Is it to confirm? To confirm accuracy. Is it to confirm accuracy, comma, to confirm the valuation, the total, and most importantly, existence. Is it to confirm accuracy, valuation, and existence. Any one, another one. I will take 5. Last one. Whenever you are talking about the bank and cash, okay, in every company what will happen, there will be a petty cash. Easy points, okay, easy points, okay. Now what you have to do, count the petty cash. The auditor will do this, trust me. The moment the auditor will go to the client place, the first thing, inventory, whatever it may be, they will go to the cashier, they will see what is the cash book, what is the physical cash, what is the registered cash. They will see, they will take the copy of that, he will sign, the cashier will sign, and the responsible person will sign. That is one of the documents. Keep it in mind. That is one of the tomorrow also you see in your companies. Whenever the auditor will come, they will see what is the cash balance. One of the activity is what is the cash. First they will do that. Most of the time. First they will do that. What they will do? They will see count the petty cash. Count the petty cash in the cash book. Is that in the cash? Is that in the cash at the year end, month end, whatever it may be, and we are going to agree the total of balance, okay, agree the total of balance. You can understand, it is not difficult, is it? Agree the total of balance included in the financial statements. Included in the financial statements. Again to confirm, is it? Again to confirm accuracy, valuation and existence. Are you clear about this? Now, as Jasim is asking, see, you can write anything. You can write, but most important thing, there will be a source, there will be action, there will be an objective. The last one is the objective, to confirm. That is the objective. Is that source, means you are counting. Action, you are taking, you are agreeing. That is an action. That is the action. So, you should have everything. You take point number 1, you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any point you take, anything you can write, nothing is happening. But see, take point number 4. What is the source? Trace all unpresented checks through the year end, pre-year end statement and post-year end statement, and the pay-in book. To confirm, and what is the action? You are making it with respect to the pay-in book. Comparing, okay, you are taking an action, and once you are what is the objective? The objective is to have accuracy, valuation, and existence. Is it clear to you?
Doctor, I have another question.
Tell me.
Is it possible in the question they ask about a specific assertion? For example, completeness only?
No.
No.
In multiple choice, they may ask. But in section B, they not ask. Sometimes, okay, we will see. Sometimes they will ask what is the if they ask specifically about the completeness, if they ask specifically about the accuracy, then we can work on that. I think now you are asking initially just when you asked I didn't remember, but now I am recollecting. I think there are some questions are there. Yes, there are some questions are there. specifically they ask for completeness. Specifically they ask for the rights and obligations. Yes, it is there, dear. Yes. Is there? It is there. 100% it is there.
Okay, doctor.
It is there. Okay, we will cover. Okay, I am keeping this in my mind, and when it is there, maybe this week or next week when we are doing question answers, I will make sure that we will cover this. Is it okay? Are you clear about this?
I think so far 50-50, yes.
Yeah, 50-50. I'm not expecting more than that. Okay, it's very simple. The moment we'll go detail, we will come across. Is that you at least you are saying 50-50. I said 25. I'm not saying 50 also. 25. I'm very cautious about this. Okay, very cautious. It takes lot of time, lot of understanding. Okay, when you are talking about the thing, we'll cover this and we'll stop. When you are talking about the bank confirmation letter, okay, the same thing. Okay, what are the things will be there? What is the information required? What is the what are the outstandings are there? Okay, what are the outstanding trade finance, any derivatives, custodian arrangements, other information. The authority to disclose information signed by a customer is already held by you. Okay, they are talking about. See what is there in accordance to the. I understand this. In accordance to the agreed practice for provision of information to auditors, please forward information on our mutual client as detailed below on behalf of the client. So they are replying. Okay, who are the replying? See, who it is coming from whom? It is manager audit confirmation, National Bank. Okay, in accordance with the agreed practice of provision of information to auditors, please forward information of mutual client as detailed behalf of the bank. The request or your response will not create any contractual or any other duty with us. They gave the company name, source, all the things. Information required 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the audit confirmation? That the authority to disclose signed by your customer is already held by you. The authority to disclose information by the customer. This is dated based on that. Please advise us if this authority is insufficient for you to provide full disclosure of investment information respect. Is it? We are making a very here what's happening? Who is giving? Is that the Murray company bank confirmation? Okay, we are talking about whom? We are talking about the who is asking the auditor. Is it? Fine. Any doubts in this letter? There is still initial stages, very initial stages. Okay, initial stages. And you will ask, you will have a doubt, 100% you will have a doubt. Where is you should have sequence. The letter given by the Murray to the bank, and the bank is responding to the auditors. And in between the auditors is asking how it is going to be worked it out. In accordance, keep it in mind. This is very important. This is where, in accordance with the agreed practice for provision of information to the auditors, is that please forward on our mutual client. Is that for the bank as well as for the audit firm? As the bank as well as for the audit firm, as detailed below on behalf of the bank, its branches and subsidiaries. Means the auditor is writing to the bank to provide the information about the client with respect on, and it has to be given on behalf of the bank. The request and your response will not create any contractual or other duty with us. We are only we are concerned about the bank confirmation information. We are not have any other contractual duty. What is the information required? What is the auditors are asking the information? The auditors is asking the information about the name, account number. The auditor is asking information about what is the standard balance, what is the trade finance, this is not important. This is only for our understanding. Any trading is there, any custodian arrangements are there, other information. Audit confirmation date is the 31st December. The authority to disclose signed by your customer is already with you. The client has given authority to the auditor. This is dated. Again, they are giving this is dated. The client has given a letter to the bank. Okay, the client has written a letter to the bank that provide information to the auditor. Is already held with you by you means by the bank. Please advise if this authority is insufficient. The auditors is asking the bank whether that letter is sufficient or insufficient. Reserved for you to provide full disclosure. You provide full disclosure of the information requested. Means that letter is not sufficient, then we will say that we want more information, we want that. This what the auditor is sending to whom? The auditor is sending to the bank. Are you clear about this?
But they will ask us to accept.
No way. What is the point? They will only see. The only thing that we should remember is return confirmation. The auditor, the client has to give the letter to the bank to provide information to the auditors. Based on that letter, the bank will provide information to the auditors. The auditors will, that also they will send it to the client, addressed to the auditors. Address to the auditor. Procedures are very clear. Okay, procedures are. This is what it says. Is it what they will do? The client. Okay, the client will give letter to the bank. Okay, to the bank. Okay, mentioning the auditor name. The bank will provide letter to the client, but they will address to whom? It will be addressed to the auditors. In between, the auditors wants, if there is some other more information the auditors need, the auditors can ask the bank that we need more information. We need more information based on which? Based on this reference letter. See, bank will not give, simple one. Is that your friend, you ask, our brother, is that if I go and ask that I want the bank balance of my brother, bank will never give. Never. They will say that your balance you will give, other people's balance will never relieve. They will never release the balance. No way. You talk about that is the reason. Every company, what they will do, they will assign. Is that? They will assign a staff. They will assign a staff by the management who will dealing the bank transactions. They will assign. Is there 2 or more people are there? They will assign. Those people only have the validity, have the authority to deal with the bank transactions. So when you are getting the bank, unless until the client will not give letter to the bank will never release the information to the auditors. Done.
Usually this letter is